Hi everyone, it's Tammy Pally, aka Crafty Princess and Doll Collector, and I have another doll unboxing for you today. This is Seabrook. She is an Our Generation doll. These dolls are available at Target. I think you can also find them on other third-party places like Amazon, etc. But I believe that Target is the main distributor of these dolls. And yeah, so Seabrook is going to be popped out of this box pretty soon. She is a Lifeguard. She comes with some Lifeguard accessories, as you can see, because she's going to be saving people's lives. And yeah, the box was a little damaged. I ordered this online. I did not buy it in the store. But this doll is going to go to one of my grandnieces and for a late Christmas gift. I'm going to go ahead and unbox her though, so that I can just give the doll and accessories to her and she won't have to wait for her parents to get her out of the box, and that's why I can also show you guys this cute doll. Alright, so hold on, let me get her out of here. So I pulled out the outer box and I thought I'd just show you guys real quick. Usually this is the third doll I think I've opened. Yeah, no, this is the fourth doll I've opened from Our Generation, and you can see that they tend to put a twist tie, or I don't know what you call these plastic tie thingies on their ankles and then around the neck. So they tape over them. I have found it's useful to have a big, like intense pair of scissors, like these are, utility scissors. And I take off the tape and then I cut this off. I use the scissors to cut through the, right here. I'll use that to cut off the tie, and it makes a big difference getting them out of the box. It makes it much easier. Okay, I'm making progress. I did get the doll out of the box. This doll, they had her secured with her around her neck, and they also had her ponytail tied into the box with one of those ties. Also, her shoes, they have plastic around her foot here, and then these little plastic rubber bands holding the shoe in, so I'm thinking these probably fall off pretty easily. So I'm using a Swiss Army knife pair of scissors, these teeny tiny scissors, and I'm carefully cutting off this plastic so that I still leave the clear elastic. I mean, obviously at some point these will probably get taken off and, possibly lost, but I'm going to just take off the plastic because I'm concerned about it like cutting the skin here, the mold, and I think it just doesn't look very good, but then I can leave this on so when I gift it, the shoes will still be on for a while. Another thing I've noticed is, okay, this is all tied on and this was tied on, so again, I'm going to use my little scissors to undo that. But this is a one-piece bathing suit here. And this is the only clothing this doll came with, and I'm going to make some clothes, and I also bought some clothes, but I don't have any undies for her. So I'm a little concerned because, she has no underwear. So I might have to try to figure out how to make a pair of undies for this girl. Yeah. Otherwise, I mean, this is all one piece, so I think my nieces might have an issue with that if she doesn't have any underwear. So yeah, so I'm glad I did look at her more carefully before I gifted her, because I know I need to either buy some underwear for her or try to whip a pair up. So yeah, I'm going to get the rest of her foot taken care of and then pull out all of these accessories, and I'll be right back. Right, I'm getting closer. This is how the accessories are in there in this plastic, and there's plastic on the front and then on the back, and then it's taped all around here in different spots. So I had to again take my small Swiss Army knife and cut off the tape areas. So yeah, it's taking a bit of effort to get into this thing, but I'm almost there. All right, so I've got everything out of the box now. Here is the doll. This, actually, her little jacket here took a bit of doing, but I did manage to get the jacket zipped up, and there's this cute little smiley face emblem on there. So this is an actual working zipper jacket, which is nice. So this is 3 pieces. There's the jacket, her shorts, and then the one-piece bathing suit underneath it. And I took off her whistle. There's no bell in it, so I don't think it works. I don't think it works. But and then there is the, I don't know what this thing is called. This is the floaty thing where she goes out to save people. And we've got binoculars. Here's the strap. I'm going to leave the strap taped in there. Oh, you know what? You can actually see through these binoculars. I don't know if it's possible to do that on a video to show you. But yeah, if you put them up to your eyes, you can see through them. See, there you go. Not great, of course, but yeah. And then what's really cool is this megaphone. There was a little piece of cardboard in here that says that it works, and it does. I mean, there's a battery that goes in here, and I can talk into it. Get out of the water. So you can talk into this little microphone here. You, get out of the water now. Seabrook says to get out of the water. That is hilarious. I love that. My goodness gracious. So yeah, we're going to get her all wrapped up. I've got some other clothes. I've got some clothes I'm making. And I'm going to leave her hat on. It is attached, by the way. But I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on for now. We can, you know, I think she can play with it fine in, for a while. And I'll just make sure that her parents know about having to carefully take it off of her head with, you know, you'll have to take those little scissors and stuff. But I will be there when she gets the doll so I can, you know, tell them about that. But yeah, she is very cute. She's got a really sweet face. She does not have any freckles, no, but she does have a nice skin tone and some really cool swag accessories that come with her stock. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. We always appreciate a thumbs up here on the Crafty Princess channel. Yeah, hang 10, baby. Be safe out there. See you later. Bye.